Vista Dorado Estates is an organic, all-natural farm and agricultural cooperative in Moruga, Trinidad and Tobago. Here they grow Moruga Hill rice, a highly nutritious wild rice native to the region, produced naturally without chemicals, GMOs, or preservatives. The estate is operated by the Caribbean Sea and Air Marketing Company Limited, whose managing director, Mak Jenny, walks us through the estate and its agricultural products.
Welcome to our replica of a warao hut, a palenque, exactly how the warao live over the water in Venezuela. The warao, who lived in eastern Venezuela and northwest Guyana, they traveled over to Trinidad in canoes they built. They had learned how to live in the waterways of the Orinoco swamps with the animals and with nature. And they gave us that knowledge freely and taught us how to live in this environment. And we have taken that ancient knowledge, mechanized the production systems, and now we are able to sustain our production of neotropical meats and healthy foods thanks to their ancient beginnings. At Vista Dorado Estates, we practice permaculture. We have short-term crops, medium-term crops, and long-term crops, all in the same acre of land at the same time. This is the lele berry. This came from our long-term crop, the lele, or American elderberry. And the lele tree, as part of the permaculture system, is very important. The tree holds the hill, holds the soil. The lele berries themselves can make a jam, and the lele is food for the animals, which are part of the permaculture system. The agouti is a very unique neotropical animal. It collects all the seeds from all the forest trees, lele, tonka bean, Brazil nut, and it buries those seeds. But it also comes down to the ponds and collects water. And here we see the tracks where the agouti was walking this morning, and it's going to drink that water, carry the seeds, and bury it in places. And a new tonka bean tree, a new lele tree, a new Brazil nut tree is going to spring up. That is why the agouti is described as the gardeners of the forest. In this section of the estate, we planted umo. Umo is the warao word for dashin. The very dashin leaves are feed for the fishes and for the morrocoys.
Está bueno comer cumo con morrocoy, es bueno, sancochado, cumo y morrocoy guisado, bueno también comer. Jaquera, bien.
Jaquera, the warao word that is both hello and welcome. Jaquera. We're growing pimentos on the hillside. We use a no-till system, and this methodology is the old way that the warao use. These Moruga pimentos have been crossed with the wiri wiri or coffee pepper, so they have a unique flavor. So everything has a purpose in your permaculture model.
Uncharted tastes into the wild. Follow for more Caribbean food, culture, and history.